This is the UNITY VCS machine. This is the latest generation cataract surgery system in the world. This has been freshly launched, and Medanta Hospital Delhi has been the first one to introduce this in India. What is the big deal about this machine? 1. Highly predictable surgeries which are precise, reproducible and very, very accurate. 2. There are real-time sensing mechanisms at every level of the machine, which makes the surgery much safer for cataract removal. 3rd, the fluid is in the box there at the back, and there are plates which sense. There are 2 pumps in this machine, the Peristaltic and the Venturi systems. 4th, they are controlled by real-time sensing mechanism which is available even at the tip of this probe. This makes the response time way better as compared to if the response is coming from the cassette at this level. This practically for the patient makes it a much quicker recovery time because we are using much lesser fluid, much quicker surgery, much less damage to the surrounding tissues, and everything is changing on real time. So for the Phaco emulsification or 4D cataract surgery means a 3-dimensional movement of the tip of the Phaco probe, which is inside the eye, which you can see here right at the tip here. This is not even a 1 millimeter titanium probe, which is going to move in 360 degrees at 40,000 cycles a second with the crystal which is in the handpiece. So this is what 4D means, but the difference it is from the earlier machines is the fact that it is changing in real time, and that real time has been the biggest icing on the cake for surgeons like us who have been in this field for the last 42 years and seen multiple changes over the last 4 decades. This today is the ultimate dream machine for any surgeon across the world. I hope you'll be getting more updates from us. We've already done 100 cases with this machine and the results are absolutely outstanding.